The ship behind us is the Ocean Giant to take our annual supplies down to Antarctica, to McMurdo Station, to our research station there. The operation of the project is Operation Deep Freeze is what it's called.
We do the full distribution from receive, store, pack, and ship the material for our customers.
Think about all the things you need to live. Everything from toilet paper, paper towels, dishes, your food for the next year. Now also that we are reconstructing the station, I mean millions and millions of pounds of construction material.
The biggest challenge is how do we preserve this item so it will not freeze. We're averaging on an annual basis between 15 to 20,000 a year line items.
DLA, we absolutely couldn't do this mission without them. The amount of material that they actually pack and crate for us, and without their expertise in doing those things, we would not be able to carry out this mission.